Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super festive, Cantonese phrases and short sentences you can use during Lunar New Year, or we say in Cantonese, 農曆新年. Whether you're visiting Hong Kong or just celebrating with Cantonese-speaking friends and family, this is your chance to shine, so let's get started. First up, let's learn some must-know greetings for Lunar New Year. First one is 恭喜發財，恭喜發財. This is one of the most well-known Cantonese New Year greetings, which literally translate to congratulations and be prosperous. It expresses a wish for wealth and financial success in the coming year. Perfect for greeting friends, family, colleagues, or even strangers during Lunar New Year, often followed by playful phrase like 利是逗來, 利是逗來, meaning hand over the red packet, which adds a light-hearted touch to the greeting. Next one is 身體健康，身體健康, which means wishing you good health. This phrase emphasizes health and well-being, which is especially important in Chinese culture. Good health is considered one of the most valuable blessings one can have. We can say this greeting to elderlies, family members, and friends to show care and love. In a polite way, you can add 祝你, 祝你, meaning wish you, and then add 身體健康. While casually, we can just go with 身體健康, meaning stay healthy. Then we have 龍馬精神，龍馬精神, wishing your vitality and energy like a dragon and horse. This phrase is often used for wishing someone energy and strength for the coming year. Dragons and horses are symbols of vitality, strength, and perseverance in Chinese culture. This phrase is often used to wish someone physical and mental energy for tackling challenges in the year ahead. Another greeting we hear often is 心想事成，心想事成. It means may all your wishes come true. This is a heartfelt greeting for anyone you meet during the celebrations. This phrase expresses hope that all the recipients' dreams and goals will be realized in the coming year. It symbolized fulfillment and success in personal and professional endeavors. Next one is 財源廣進，財源廣進. It means may wealth flows in abundantly. This is a formal greeting often used in business or professional contexts. It's great for wishing business owners, entrepreneurs, or anyone working in sales or finance success and financial prosperity. For example, we can say 祝你財源廣進，生意興隆。祝你財源廣進，生意興隆. Wishing you abundant wealth and thriving business. Another greeting is 年年有餘，年年有餘. May you have abundance year after year. This phrase is particularly common during meals or when gifting food. The word 魚 abundance is a homophone of 魚 fish. So this greeting pairs perfectly with the traditional of serving fish during New Year meals. Another phrase which is perfect for everyone is 大吉大利. 大吉大利, wishing you great luck and prosperity. For instance, we can say 新一年祝你大吉大利. 新一年祝你大吉大利, wishing you great luck and prosperity in the new year. The last greeting we are going to learn today is 出入平安. 出入平安. 出 is go out, while 入 is go in, so it means may you have safety wherever you go. Practical greeting for everyone, wishing them good health and safety in their daily life, especially those who travel often. You can combine all these greetings for a more comprehensive wish. For example, 恭喜發財, 身體健康, 心想事成. 恭喜發財, 身體健康, 心想事成. Meaning, wishing you prosperity, good health, and that all your wishes come true. There's no rules how you should combine them, just go how you like it. If you're decorating for Lunar New Year, you'll see phrases written on red banners called 揮春. 揮春, Spring Festival couplets. They are traditional decorations commonly displayed during Lunar New Year to convey blessings, good fortune, and wishes for the year ahead. Today we are going to introduce 3 kinds of 揮春. The first one is door couplets. We call them 對聯. 對聯. These are the most traditional and commonly seen type of 揮春, typically hanged on both sides of the main entrance. A pair of vertical couplets is placed on either side of the door, with a horizontal banners placed above the door frame. They symbolize blessings and fortune for the household. They are usually written in poet form with parallel structures of rhyming patterns. The second type is single phrase spring banners. Normally, we just refer them to 揮春. They are small, square, or rectangular banners with concise and auspicious phrases. They can be placed anywhere in the house, such as walls, doors, or furniture. Chinese believes it brings luck and blessings. For example, the above greetings like 年年有餘, abundance year after year, or 大吉大利, great fortune and success, can be written on 揮春. The last type is 福字. 福字 literally means fortune, character. The character 福, meaning fortune or blessing, is often written on a square piece of red paper. In many households, this is hanged upside down. 道福, 道福. As the Cantonese phrase 福到 sounds like fortune has arrived. It is often posted on doors, walls, or even objects like Rice beans ensure abundance in the food and prosperity. That's the end of today's class. Which greeting is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Wish you all a happy 農曆新年. See you all next time. 下次見，拜拜。